Hey everybody, just doing a real quick update here on the mills. I just uploaded last night to eBay the new mills that will be available for delivery. They will be completed and ready to deliver on February 28th. My new eBay name that I set up just for the mills, and I'll do like add-on parts and stuff like that, things like the discharge tube and any other little things that we make for it. That's going to be on this eBay page from now on. The link for the current mills that are available that will be ready on February 28th is going to be in the description below, so go ahead and check that out. And if you have any kind of problems or whatever finding it, look me up. On there is going to be mighty_mills_and_more. Mighty Mills and More. And that's going to be just on eBay. Eventually I'm going to have a website up and stuff like that, so eBay will sort of be like a side avenue. Alright, one thing I did want to let you know though about the mills that I'm getting ready to make. I've got some new tools that I've got in store, and those have really going to change everything for me. I'm able to make some much more intricate cuts and workings and stuff. This here is just a quick cutout piece. You can see how thin it is. But check this out. I've wanted to do this for a while now, and now it's possible. So the new doors, look at the opening on that. So no more of the 1-inch size hole. I wanted to have a nice bigger opening, and one that works still with things like the discharge tube. So the discharge tube can still mount up to it and stuff like that, so it will work with it just fine, regardless if you have an older one or a newer model. But all the newer models from now on are going to have this large opening. I mean, I'm guessing that's got to be at least almost 3 times as big square, like in the area that on the door there, and that's just going to make pouring the material out and stuff a lot easier. So since it's not a circle anymore, I won't be able to use these plugs, and I wanted to start using something a little bit more secure, so I just tried to keep it simple. Since it's got a nice big opening, we got these 2 simple thumb screws, and these have caps nuts on them that will apply pressure and keep the door in place. So I figured we'll just put one in and leave that one in, and you could take one out. Once you take it out, you just crack this one, slide the door up, tighten it to hold it in place, pour out your material, and then crack it again, drop it down, put the other one back in, and you're done. And you can, I haven't worked it yet because I haven't made the full-size piece, but man, I can't wait. This is going to make everything so much better. The door that I'm showing right here, the cover plate, this is again too just a mock-up. It's going to be a little bit thicker than this, plus it's also going to have a tab on there so that you'll be able to easily slide it open and stuff like that. You won't have to wrestle with it. So that is the big update as far as the mills go. I've finally been getting all the parts in and everything, so now I'm able to give everybody a definite date. For some reason the mail has been super slow lately. So I've had some items that have taken 30 days if they came from back east. So, and then I also wanted to let you know too, besides the doors and the new eBay name here, I do plan on, as soon as I can, I've got a lot of different ideas. I want to post some really cool videos. I've shot a bunch of footage, but I have not had the time to upload it. I mean, I'm super swamped, and that's a good thing. I just feel bad because I've told a couple people, yeah, I'm gonna put something up, and then I don't. Not that I don't get around to it. I just don't have the time. So hopefully soon I will be able to start putting some of those videos together for everybody and giving more content and stuff, and more videos showing me working with the mills and what they're capable of and stuff. One of those videos is going to be about this guy. I found this guy. It is a 5-inch, so it's a little bigger than a regular standard 4.5-inch. You can get these on eBay, Amazon, whatever. I think I found them on eBay for about anywhere from like 55 to 65 bucks. This is a 5-inch 10 amp, but the best part about this guy is this is a variable speed grinder, and I love this thing. It works great with the mill. One of my favorite things is I run it on number one, the lowest setting, so about 4,000 RPMs, which is perfect. It allows me to crush material for probably a good, I don't know, solid 5 minutes, no problem. And it handles it great. And one of the things I like about it the most is on initial startup, it actually slowly starts and then gets up to speed. Whereas a regular 4.5 inch, 11,000 or 10,000 RPM grinder, they're just on, just boom, full bore. And it can cause a little bit of jerkiness, and it takes a second for the axle to settle in since it's swinging all of this. But this guy is great. When I make a video of that, I'm going to try to put that one out first, because I think that's one of the more important videos that I need to make. I've made it, I just need to put it together. And I really recommend this 110 grinder. It's not battery, and they do have variable speed battery grinders, but they get pretty expensive. This guy, like I said, 55, 65 bucks, something like that, and it has worked great. Another video I can show you real quick, just a quick little mock-up. This is a bucket that I made, simple hardware stuff from Home Depot. This hooks up to the discharge port, one of these guys. Super easy, dumps the material in, and then if I want to, I can utilize this guy, which is a little fitting I made out of regular sink fittings, and this holds a vacuum nozzle, and it's got a little built-in filter there. And I just made this out of some quick parts. I'll make a video showing that as well. And then I got another video, probably a couple of them, maybe a little series or whatever, going over different areas that I've been to. I want to give locations, and I'm talking about middle of the nowhere stuff, like middle of the desert, away from anybody. And I'm not really big into exploring too deep into the mines, but man, I love going through the old tailings and waste rock piles. And a lot of times with these older mines, as a lot of us know, you can find really good ore sitting right outside of it. So I love collecting that stuff. But along with the rock and crushing and videos, stuff like that I'd like to go over, I want to go over some of this stuff. I've got people, some of my customers, amazing, super awesome customers. I have the best customers on eBay. I don't care what anybody says. Everybody has been great. Tons of positive feedback, and I couldn't ask for anything better. You guys, it's good customers have made it like basically where I'm trying to transition to doing this as much as possible. So, because I already enjoy it, but man, it's been really great with some of the customers. So, my customers have sent me certain things like this, and I mean, look at this galena. This is insane. Just this one piece is ridiculous. It is so heavy. And I've found galena before, but man, this is awesome looking stuff. I think the galena I've found is out near the Boss mine out by Sandy Valley. There's a really neat hidden mine in the back of the old mountain range there, and like I said, I'll make a video about that. But there's just lots of stuff I want to do. But most important is getting mills out and getting them ready. I've got just tons and tons to do, so I apologize that it's taken so long to get more mills online and stuff for everybody. I know I've been getting lots and lots of emails every day for people interested, so I just want to say thank you to everybody, and thank you for your patience. This month I hope to get a pretty good batch done. I think I've got 25 of them set up right now on the new eBay page for pre-order. Again, the link is in the description. I'll put it in there. I don't have an ad yet up for the discharge tube, but I plan on trying to get that up tonight as well. But either way, when you can either look me up, and probably tonight I'll get the ad for the discharge tube up. But if you don't see it, and I don't have a link in this video yet, I'll try to come back and maybe edit it after I do this one. But I just want to go ahead and let everybody know, everything for the mills will be available there. And I want to get these out to everybody as soon as I can. So again, February 28th will be the delivery date for the latest batch that I have on there. I think I have it set up for 25 mils right now. And we'll see how this new equipment helps out and how much faster I'm able to put them together. I'm a little bit of a stickler for detail and stuff like that. And so far to date, every little detail that I've done on this, on these units everything's done by hand, cut by hand, and everything. So I've got some new machinery, and it's going to help me out a lot, I think. So, all right, everybody, thank you. Enjoy. Please check out the new eBay page. And if you have any questions, feel free to hit me up here or even on my eBay page, Mighty Mills and more. And we'll have some new updates soon. All right, thanks. Take care. Thank you.